Nikupa sunpa chole zanpa hichihi ninunung lam to kisam kai van noi nitin hamsit na so jingho kita lang na channel hi nang dia apat na hi le subscribe in lang notification bell click in maban a van noi hamsit na thusu ei pawa hin nei jing theina diu chole bible thatip agui hlun sa hojong ein mu chin thei diu hi achai chanana veng pathenin ei mu pui jing tau hen.
This is the railhead edition in the Choctaw Hera area. Tornado hit here Saturday night, and it's pretty devastating. I don't know how many homes yet. Thankfully, no lives were lost, but definitely bad.
Hurt is like incredible.
Ya, di Sumatera Malam itu lari tuh. Ada beberapa yang memang tidak sempat lari tuh karena material tuh.
A strong storm has already hit Tarragona and various municipalities in the regions of Alt, Bakes Camp and Bakes Peneds in the early hours of Monday morning, causing flooding in streets and some low-rise buildings. The water has particularly affected the Tarragona neighborhood of Serrallo, in the lower part of the city. In some areas, there has been no electricity supply. Other nearby towns were also affected by the rain, which forced the closure of the C32 exit at Cubels and Larbach due to the large accumulation of water. In the direction of Tarragona, traffic was diverted early in the morning by the C15 in the area of Villanova I La Geltrú. The danger was also focused on the Frankly River basin. In the afternoon, the rain had already fallen in Sitges, Garraf, where several streets were flooded, especially in the Terramar area, and the neighborhoods located further west were severely affected. The Generalitat Fire Department received around 30 warnings from various municipalities in Garraf, mainly due to flooding in basements and garages or accumulations of water on. The accumulation of water has occurred after the afternoon rains, which have started just when the EMET has declared the red warning for heavy rainfall until 6 p.m., in the case of the coast of the province of Alicante. As can be seen in the videos released, the driver has ignored the signs that prohibited passage through that area and has entered the flooded area until his vehicle could not advance and had to be rescued by an agent of the local police of Altia. According to municipal sources, around 30 liters per square meter were collected in Altia on Sunday, according to Avamet figures, and the local police have placed fences at the entrance to the underpass on Gargan Street, which runs under the tram line, tram, as it is usually flooded due to its low level. Meanwhile, angry residents booed and threw eggs at Spain's King Felipe and Queen Letizia as they visited the Valencia region, where more than 200 people have died in devastating floods. The king faced chance of murderer as he visited hard-hit Paiporta, just outside of Valencia City, along with Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez and Regional Governor Carlos Mazin, where locals accuse authorities of a lax response to the disaster. After they posed for a photo, the crowd began hurling